evening, students. So today I'm going to teach about contract costing. So basically contract costing deals with the calculating the cost of construction activities. As we all know, construction activities like construction of flyover, bridges, roads, airports and residential buildings. So being a contractor, your first job is to calculate the cost of your contract that you have been undertaking. So contract costing is a technique to calculate the cost involved in construction activities. Like in construction activities, material, labor and various other kinds of overheads has been used to complete the contract. So being a contractor, you must know the total cost of your contract, and after calculating the total cost you can ascertain the profit or loss arising from the contract. So first of all, we will discuss the main feature of contract costing. So first is contract is usually executed as per the requirement of customers. So a customer approaches you and giving an order to construct a specific building, to construct a specific roads. So usually contract costing is used whenever you have to construct the construction activity as per the requirement or demand of customers. Second, contract difference from each other. So as I already told you, every contract is different. One contract is totally different from other contract because the demand of every customer is different. For example, maybe A customer requires to construct a 10-floor building, and might be the B customer demands to construct a 5-floor building. So every contract is different. That's why you have to record the cost of every contract in different manner, in different accounts. Third, each contract is a separate cost unit and is to be costed separately. As for we have discussed, like every contract is different, so a single contract treated as a single cost unit. After calculating the total cost, you will say the cost of this contract is so and so on, the cost of second contract is so and so on. So every contract is different, every contract is separate from each other. Contracts are executed away from the contractor's premises, generally at a customer site. So usually we complete the contract at a particular site. Unlike manufacturing activities usually undertaking in a plant, but usually under the contract costing, construction activities are undertaking at a particular site. For example, if you are constructing a road, you have to construct a road at a particular site. You cannot construct a road in a plant, in a one building. You should have to approach the customer's site in order to construct the building, floor or any other construction activity. Next, contract takes long time to complete, generally more than a year. So usually contracts are completed in long run. If I talk about a road construction, a road could be completed in 5 years, 10 years, I would say the more than 1 year. So usually contracts are in long run. You need more time to complete the contract. Contracts are generally of a large size involving large cost. So as compared to the industrial activities, contracts are usually a large size. In order to complete the contract, you need more labor, more material, more value of overheads. So usually contracts are larger than the industrial activities. Larger proportion of total cost are of the nature of direct cost. So under the contract costing, the major proportion of your cost is direct cost. Direct cost here means the cost that is required to complete the contract. Without incurring such cost, without using such cost, you cannot complete the contract. So this is called direct cost. For example, purchase of material, using of labor. So these are the direct cost involved in contract costing. Sometimes subcontracts are employed for performing specialized tasks or jobs. So it could be possible the main contractor could pass some of the jobs to subcontractor. As Sometime the main contractor is not able to perform such activities, so some specific activities could be given to the subcontractor to complete the job. So this is also a part of subcontracts. Separate counts are prepared to determine profitability of each contract. So as far we have discussed, each contract is treated as a separate cost unit. To calculate the cost of each contract, we maintain a different accounts. So you have to prepare a different accounts to calculate the cost of each contract, to calculate the profitability of each contract. Contract involves problems of valuation of work in progress at the end of each accounting period. This means usually under contract costing, some of the jobs would be in the form of WIP. So maybe at the end of the first year, your contract is just 10% complete, 15% complete. So you have to calculate the work in progress value. It's required to calculate the work in progress value. Next, contractors receive payments for execution of contract in installment based on the extent of completion as certified by the expert. So as compared to job costing, under job usually manufacturers get the payment of job after completing the job, but in contract costing usually contractor receive the payment at certain intervals according to the work performed by the contractor, according to the percentage of work done by the contractor as verified by the experts. So for example, if the contract price is 1 crore and after the ending of first year only 10 lakh, the value of 10 lakh contract has been completed, and then expert will verify such value, and if the expert has just valued 8 lakh, then definitely contractor will receive the payment according to the value certified by the experts. So these are the main features. There are some other features, but these are the most important features of contract costing. I hope you all have understand this topic. So for today, this is enough, and I will discuss this chapter in the next lecture. Thank you very much.